to my channel. So today we are going to check for stocks. Let's start with price action. So today, actually we are in the previous day of the expiry. Okay, let's keep this way. Okay, so you could see everything had a sideways close, and you already know Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty and Bank Nifty, all of them have the monthly expiry pattern. So today is a very important day because the decay will be very fast, since IV is favorable for sellers. Okay, and then let's check out on stocks. Reliance is under the retracement phase. Let's go chart wise. Okay, I'm going to take 4 hours chart today so that we would get a very good idea. We'll try to analyze market from May month. Okay, so this should be the very clearer price action. Okay, so let's take May month. I'll take yellow color so that it is very visible. May month open is here and June month open is here. May month close is here. So almost this was a sideways day, and then you could see pretty much under the box, and this was the SL zone already collected, and this was also SL zone already collected. Now June month you could see this was under the box zone, but here happens the breakout. Okay, once the breakout happens in the last zone, so I'll tell you the logic. So call writers were very heavy, and then this call writers have done the profit booking here, so you could see the breakout. The breakout was very good here from almost 80 to almost 40. Okay, this was a very good breakout zone of 40 points, but it couldn't sustain. So here it was a retracement phase, which was again the major resistance zone of June month, and then you could clearly see here also we had a news and a big fall. So this was the Q1 news, which was not good for Reliance, and then it almost touched the May month resistance. So this was May resistance turned to support. Now market is trying to take a pullback, or let's see if this zone crosses or not. Okay, so this is for Reliance price action. Okay, hope you understand this. Let's just move on to HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, again the same pattern. May month, June month and July month. Okay, so July month open, May month open, June month open and May month open. So almost it was inside the box for May, so it was a sideways zone. So June month the retracement has failed, so this was a clear breakout but couldn't sustain. So you could see again touching the May month's support. Okay, and then from here it was a very good breakout. Even this resistance, this SL zone was also taken out, but then couldn't sustain. And then you could see now in the July month it's inside this big zone trying to do a breakout. Let's wait and watch. Here also you have to note that call writing is being added aggressively for HDFC Bank. Okay, now we'll go and check for ICICI Bank. Similar pattern, it's pretty clear. May month open, June month open, and this is July month open. Almost May month it was sideways. June month it was a V-shaped recovery, and then July up till one point it was taking May, June support, and then you could see this was a very good news, that is the Q1 results, and then you could see a breakout. Now it's in the retrace phase. Okay, so this is the simple price action study. Now we'll go to the main picture, that is the OI, to have more confirmation in our views. Let me just take the overall OI. Okay, so I'll take this one. We'll start with Reliance. So Reliance, you could see still call writers are very up. Next we'll take HDFC. So this is HDFC Bank, and you could see call writers are up. And then we'll see ICICI. ICICI we have almost similar, so this is showing us as a sideways zone. Okay, now we'll go to the detailed OI, that is very close range. Okay, so I'll take Reliance first. So you could clearly see Reliance when you see the OTM 55 and 14. So from 1 lakh it just came down to 55. That's why you could see the breakout, because call writers were doing their profit booking. Okay, so this is the zone, this is the lot size, and this is the max pain, and expiry is tomorrow. Okay, now we'll move to HDFC Bank. This is HDFC Bank. When you check OTM, it's 27 and 20, so not much, indicating a sideways zone. Okay, so this is the lot size and this is the support and resistance. Now we'll go to ICICI. So this is ICICI OI study. When you check OTM, 14 and 10, so almost put writers are more, so the support is very strong for ICICI. Okay, so it should go up. This is the support and resistance. Now I'll go and check the straddle. So here we'll go and do some price action study. So I'll keep chart as well as the straddle chart in parallel position so that we can do the analysis very easily. I'll take Reliance. Okay, so here also I'll take Reliance. Okay, so you could see Reliance, and let me keep this point as a previous close. Okay, so you could see how much market has respected the previous close. And then when you check for open was 10, so the red line, and then you could see open was here, close was here, first V shape, and then it's that went to the zone. Okay, so you could see here open was here and close was here, so this zone again being sideways. So this is how you compare. Okay, now we'll go to HDFC Bank. I'll move to HDFC. HDFC open was 2020, so you could see this was also a very good profitable zone. Now we'll take ICICI Bank. Here also I'll take ICICI. So almost similar sideways, as you could see 80 is the open, and this was also a profitable trade. Now let's calculate. So one lot is 700 for ICICI times the decay. You could see from 12 it went to 8, so 4 points. Okay, is the decay, that too a positive decay. Now when you calculate the PNL, it's almost 2800 positive plus tax plus brokerage is your profit. Okay, so almost from 50 to 60 the straddle came down to 12. So this is how you experienced a decay, and then almost you could see market was inside the zone. That's it guys, thank you.